Welcome back to Dom's E36 Garage. Today we're going to be swapping out the diff in the BMW. Okay, so today we're going to be swapping out the diff in the race car. It currently has a 391 diff gear LSD in there from Racing Diffs. We've had this diff built by Curdles Customs up in Sydney. He's put in a Racing Diffs All Solution LSD. It's got adjustable ramps. We also put in some 345 diff gears, so it's a 6 clutch diff setup here. So bit of an upgrade for the race car, but what we'll do is we'll go through the tools that we'll need to swap that out. Basically simple, some spanners, sockets, a ratchet spanner. I've got a slightly different setup underneath, so some people might use E-Torx bits to remove the drive shafts. I myself use one of these because I've got a different set of bolts. We'll need the big boy impact gun, and we'll just need to fill up the diff with some oil because it's dry at the moment. So first of all, we've got the car already jacked up, but let's get under there, start undoing things and get the old diff out. Okay, so what we're going to do is take off the exhaust. You'll notice here I don't actually have a sway bar across the back of the diff, so that might be different to your car. If you do have a sway bar, you'll just need to undo that and raise it up to get it above the diff. But what we're going to do, we'll start by taking off the exhaust and we'll crack on from there. guys, we're just going to spin the wheels, test the diff, make sure she spins nice and quiet, and that is actually an LSD. Okay guys, thank you for watching that. We swapped out the diff to a 345 LSD. It should help the car to grip a lot better out the turns and get all that power down to the ground sort of thing. So we're going to be testing it out in a few days at Wakefield. We'll hopefully get some better times and some better grip, as I said. So if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll keep getting this content out to you hopefully on a regular basis. So thank you for watching.